Hey guys, how's it going? We we've been working on this project for about, I want to say, 3 weeks now. We bought the soda machine, didn't work, so we stripped it all out. We rewired everything, put some nice lights in there. It looks like a regular soda machine on the outside. As you can see, there's a Pepsi logo, and buttons look like everything functions correctly. But when you go to the inside of the machine, it is not a Pepsi machine. It is a gun safe. Yes sir, a gun safe. Holds about 13 guns, fully carpeted, fully adjustable. It's got some lights, depending on which lights you want to turn on. Just hit them and turn right off. Just with a touch. Holds about 13 guns, one side. These are, like I said, fully adjustable. It's totally Velcro. Carpet's, the door is Velcroed as well. You can put patches, Velcro holsters, whatever you want on there. And again, it has the adjustable rails. So let me know what you guys think. It's got some storage down there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. See ya.